Yo, good morning, my TikTok fam. Hey, so today we got something exciting going on with the Hulk Camaro. We're on our way to Pensacola, Florida. It's about an hour drive. We're gonna go see John Weeks and the Triple X family. And John is gonna hook up Camaro with hopefully some performance gains. If you're not tracking what's done with the car, I'll throw a link in the comment section below to my YouTube, and you can just go through and you can kind of check the different things that I've done with the car. You've seen pictures of it, you've seen videos of it, but you probably aren't really tracking exactly what's done. So without further ado, let's drop that video, and then I will post videos throughout the process this morning. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, so we made it to Triple X Performance. We're just waiting for John to show up. Here is the building. So it's the address for 49. Stand by. 4916 West Fairfield Drive in Pensacola. So this is the first time I've ever been here, so I'm excited, I'm nervous. There's the car. We'll get some videos shortly. So I'm walking around the building here at Triple X, and I see this out of the corner of my eye, and I'm like, ooh, what is this? Let me flip this camera around. So this looks to be a Demon 340. It's super clean. You just can't build cars like they used to. I mean, if you look at this car and then Hulk in the background, I love my car to death, but I would take an old muscle car any day. Just the sound, just everything about these cars just screams move. I've got a lot of power and I'm not afraid to use it. What's your guys' favorite car? All right, he's going up on the lift. All right, here we go. About to do the first pull. Let me flip this camera around so you can see. Terminator, Cobra, and then a Chevy Camaro. Getting the initial readings on the computer for the car. I have to ask him when he jumps out after the first pull. All right, so quick update. So, as you know, I had the pedal max on the car. Well, that was causing a bunch of electrical interference. So what John had me do is pull the pedal max off, and funny enough, all the electrical problems went away. So there must have been something in the pedal max that was triggering the car to go into limp mode because you couldn't even start the car. So we're back to no pedal max, and John's gonna flash it right now, and then we're gonna go from there. Car's fired up. Let's see what we got. It's gonna get loud. I should probably stand back a little bit. Yeah. I think the first pull was 418 to the wheel.